So suppose we're given the question, we want to find the center and radius of the circle given by this equation. X squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 23 equals 0. Now I'm assuming this is the equation of a circle, and we'll see as we do this problem. So the first thing I've indicated here is to move the 23 over to the other side. Move that constant over. So we add 23 to both sides. We end up with x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y equals 23. And remember, the equation of a circle is given by x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So I want to create that on my left side. I want to make it look like this. So the first thing to do is actually group your x's and group your y's. So we have x squared plus 4x, so I put the 4x next to the x squared, plus y squared minus 6x, y squared minus 6x equals 23. You notice there's a space I've left after this 4x and this 6y, because we're going to do what's called complete the square. Because we want something squared here. So in order to do that, we're going to actually complete the square for x and for y. Okay, so to complete the square, remember, if you recall, you take half of this middle number here, which is 4 in this case, and you square it. So half of 4 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So I'm going to add that number. I'm going to add 4. Now, if I add 4 to the left side of the equation, I have to add 4 to the right side of the equation. I just can't add it on one side. So we have to keep the equation balanced. Similarly, I'm going to take half of this number next to the y, which is 6, and I'm going to square it. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9, and that's what I'm going to add. I'm going to add 9. So that means I have to add 9 on this side. So now, what we have is we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 23, and 4 is 27, 9 is 36. And so what's going to happen is these are now what we call perfect square trinomials. And perfect square trinomials can be factored easily. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 factors into x plus 2 squared. And y squared minus 6y plus 9 factors into y minus 3 times y minus 3, which is y minus 3 squared. And on this right side we have 36. And there's my circle form, there's my center and radius form. So now I can read off my center and radius right from this equation. So my equation of my circle is x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 36. And my center is going to be negative 2, 3. And my radius is going to be the square root of 36. So my radius is going to be equal to 6. So it's important to know how to complete the square, given your general form here of the equation of the circle, into the center and radius form, which is what we call the standard form of the circle equation. So once you complete the square, then you have it in standard form, you can find the center and radius easily. One circle of special interest is called the unit circle. And the unit circle is a circle that has a center at the origin with a radius of 1. So if the center of the unit circle is 0, 0, and the radius is equal to 1, what is the equation of this unit circle going to be? Well, according to our formula, it's going to be x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 1 squared. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And you just simplify that because 0, we're not taking away anything. So this leaves me with x squared plus y squared equals 1 squared is 1. So this is the equation of the unit circle, and this is a very important equation to know when you move into trigonometry.